Hi everyone, this is Janet with a quick demonstration on how you can download your image file links of the online games and game pieces and then extract them and put them on a whiteboard so you can play them online. So when you get your email, you're going to have two links. One is for the games and the other one is for the game pieces. So first, just click on the games and save that in a folder that you want it to be saved in. And then click on the game pieces and do the same thing. Okay, and then once you have both of those in the folder, and I also have that PDF file here that you would already have. The way you extract and open them, click on this zipped file and it says extract all, so just click on that and that will create a file that has everything in it that you can actually upload and use. And then go ahead back to your game pieces and do the same thing. And that will open these up, and if you want to view them, you can pick one of the larger icons to see what the game pieces look like. Okay, so now we have both the game pieces and games extracted and ready to upload. So let's go to a whiteboard. This one happens to be in Koala Go, but any place, Zoom or anywhere else that has a whiteboard or a PowerPoint file or anywhere that you can upload images, you can upload these games and game pieces. But let me show you how you would do it here. Go to wherever you would select to upload images and go to the file that you have them in, and we'll see the no prep games here. I want to be able to see it, so I'm just going to hit the icons again and I'm picking one of these games. I think I'll do Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. If you've had any of my games before, all these games have been completely refreshed and updated. Now you can add this as an image, which is often the only option you have on a whiteboard. When it's an image, you can resize it, move it. In this whiteboard, you can also add it as a slide. So I'm going to add it as an image, and I forgot to go on to a new slide, so I'm just going to copy it and go to a fresh page and paste it. And this allows you to go ahead and enlarge it. And in this whiteboard, I can lock it in place so it's not moving around. But if I had uploaded it as a slide, it would also be embedded here. Alright, now I want my game pieces, so I'm going back to upload more files. And if I go back, here's my game pieces. And I just want the ones for Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. So I'm going to go down. Guess they're a little bit scattered here because of the way I named the files. They get listed in alphabetical order. So I'll select the ones that I want and hit open. I want to definitely add them as images because I want to be able to move them around. Okay, now all four of the chicks are here right on top of each other. So I'll just have to individually select them and resize them. And then they are ready to play. And at this point, I would give my student the practice that I want them to do. Let's say I wanted them to spell. They could put a type box up there and I would dictate words and they would go through whatever procedures to spell them. If I wanted them to read words, I might type the words myself and they would read them. Or anything else, any subject you're working on, you can ask questions, present things, and give the students opportunity to answer. And then when they answer, you each take a turn and roll a die and move your game pieces. And if you're in Zoom, you may need to have a die open on the shared browser on another tab, and you would just go to that to roll it each time. Since we're on Koala Go, I'll show you a neat feature they have. Once you invite a student, this button appears, and one of the options is a dice roller. So when you open that, you can roll the die and move your game pieces, which is a great option to have. So hopefully this all gives you an idea of how you can upload these image file game boards and use them online with your students to make your learning a lot more engaging and fun.